Hi, my name is Zachary Scott, and I'm doing my current event presentation on retailers turn to Silicon Valley to lower cost. Some of the main points that we're going to talk about in this current event presentation are the current state of the consumer market, so why companies are trying to look towards Amazon and how Amazon is taking away from their online shopping experience as well as revenue from their brick and mortar stores. We're going to talk about how this is giving a rise to companies such as Sentient Technologies Holdings Limited, which I'll get into later, and what that specific company is doing in examples with Sunglass Hut and Costa Bella. And we're going to finish it off with showing how customers want personalization and what some companies are doing about it. Sunglass Hut is employing deep learning and image recognition software from the San Francisco-based Sentient Technologies Holdings Limited for its e-commerce site. So when a customer clicks on a pair of shades, like the one that you see on your screen here, the See Similar Styles option uses image recognition to show other sunglass choices instead of predicting what the person might want based off of what other people have purchased. And they do this by utilizing the Sentient Aware technology, which uses deep learning to deliver image-based real-time personalization through a visual conversation that eliminates the need for text search or filters. And it kind of naturally engages the shoppers and it gets them to the products they want to buy quickly, which increases sales and inspires return visits. Using Sentient's Ascend technology, which leverages evolutionary algorithms to test and find the best performing design for websites from among thousands or even millions of potential combinations to run multiple tests at once, the Italian lingerie brand Costa Bella gauged customer response, changed the color of its buy button to pink and its banner to specify it as an Italian family-owned business, which ended up bumping their revenue by 38%. It's also using the image recognition technology that's similar to the Sunglass Hut by tailoring its website to individual customers based on the advertising image they click to get to the site. For an example of brick and mortar stores, Burberry Group, they can ask for a customer name and they type it into an app when the person walks in, and that gives them access to personal data, including that customer's last purchase, their purchase history, whether the person prefers still or sparkling water, and potentially some of his or her public social media presence as well. Nordstrom Rack is piloting in-store beacon technology powered by Microsoft Cloud to better engage and personalize shoppers' experiences and ultimately increase speed and convenience. They're also testing some messaging displays via the beacons to direct shoppers to available fitting rooms or express checkout lines, and to show customers extended product offerings that are available online while they're shopping. This ties into material that we'll be going over in class, such as the external environment, specifically demographic, which will enable businesses to identify trends with different demo and psychographics. Burberry is a prime example of this because they'll be able to analyze data based off their customers' demo and psychographics to better improve their consumer experience. Economic segment will be better able to understand customer demand. Let's look to Nordstrom for this one, being able to track customer routes throughout their store and see what items they're looking at through the app for the extended product line. Social-cultural, I'm focusing on the shift in product and service preferences because according to the article, with online pricing and inventory being so easily accessible, consumers would be attracted to the companies and stores that are better able to service their needs in a customized, speedy, and efficient manner. The view of the author, seeing as how they wrote the entire article praising the benefits and counteracting the opposition, I'd say that the author is all for artificial intelligence and technology. They presented a well-researched article citing the facts and benefits of these enhancements not only in the e-commerce role, but in the brick-and-mortar stores as well. For my personal view, I definitely agree with the author. It's really prudent to keep up with the times. Like Blockbuster, they didn't view Netflix as a significant threat And with the advent of technology and us living in the digital age right now, a quote from the article by Tracy Issel, who's the general manager of worldwide retail at Microsoft. She said that digital transformation is upon you, whether you want it or not. And you kind of have to just keep up with the flow of technology right now. Otherwise, you're going to get left behind.